Fly with me all the way. Yeah, up to 10 round there. Ooh. Now I'm leaving Four Queens now. I'm going to Luxor for the last 2 days. Bye. It's a little building. 40 last year when I come. Yeah, take a long to build it. It's my favourite machine, this. I like playing this. I do. I do win sometimes, I do other times. But what I'm saying to you is, you come to Vegas, you don't always win. So when you come to Vegas, you got to thinking, I've come here to enjoy myself. How you got to say? I'm coming to enjoy myself. You say to yourself. Matthew's doing all right this year. He's up $1,000. He is so far, and it's Sunday. I think it's Sunday today. So I'll let you get on. Let's get on. Bye. It's my suite. I've walked in, and oh my God, you see it, how lovely it is. Oh my God. I say to myself, it's a big room this is free, you know. Last year I come here and I spent a lot of money on the machine, so they give me 2 free days and they give me the best room. It is. You got light climb over there, the table. Got a table there, 2 seats. You sit there and have something to eat. You can if you want to. You come along here and you got this here. Over here. Wash yourself. Have a wash. On there. They got a fridge, you know. You turn around. You got another table there. You got a seat there, a lovely seat that you can sit on that. It's nice and comfortable, that is. And the settee is nice and comfortable. There. There's the settee there. A table there. Turn it. Got another one there. And I tell you to watch. And turn round. And you're walking. Oh, look at it for a bed. Look at that for a bed. My God, look at it. Aye, look at it. Oh dear, that's a big one. That is. Lovely and comfortable, lying on there. Look how big it is. Got a light there. And you got a light there. You got, bloody hell. It's a big bed, that is. Aye, nice and comfortable, that is. I'll sleep on one side. I wish my wife was there. But she's not, lying by the side of me. But she's not. Yes, she's not. I always think about it anyway. And here, he's there. There's, turn round. There's a table there. And I sit on a chair, some table. Chair there. And there's tables over there like that. And I sit on there with some water. And I look, sitting down, I'm nice and comfortable there. And you got a nice view when you're lying in bed. When you wake up in the morning, they are. Look at that for light shade. Aye, lovely and bright. Aye, and look at that for a bed. Oh the hell, you don't get them in England. You don't. Some nice pictures. There are. And you come in here. Oh, and you got a telly. You got a telly in there in your bedroom and all. Telly. And you walk in here. You go in here. Oh, you see this. This is the bathroom. This is, you want to get clothes up in there. You come in here. Yeah. You got 2 sinks. Here. Toilet up the corner there. Turn round. You got a big bath here. You have a big bath and turn around and you got a big shower. You got a big shower there. There is. They give you all the stuff to wash yourself down, and a brush, and there. It is a nice place. It is. I believe it's where all the posh people get come into. But it's I'd say it is nice. It's a big place. This one is, and they give me 2 days free for this. Yeah, 2 days. I've been playing the machines. I'm in the bedroom. Nice and sunny. I'm sitting down. I'm having a nice drink of water. Oh, it's like that is. Yeah. With my glasses on in the bedroom. It is warm and sunny. That's nice. Yeah, I'm having water. Show how sunny it is. Look behind me. That's how sunny it is. Behind. It is really sunny. What's the 5? Yep. I've woke up at 4:45, thinking about my wife. When we come here together, and Matthew and Jane, we did. They went on the helicopter. Yeah. Yep. I had a tattoo done. 2 hearts and a name on the wrist. It looks nice. It does. Yeah. So look through the window. This is a nice bedroom. This is. I can see I can drop off to sleep again. I am. Bye. So 6:30. I'm back off to sleep. I'm looking through the bedroom window. Lying in bed. And yeah. You can see the dust coming up. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Just coming up. 6:30. Yeah, I'm in bed looking through the window. Yeah. Yep. I'm going to get ready in a minute. I'm going to have a shower. Get ready. And I'm going to meet Matthew and Jane. And we're going out all day.
You alright, Dad?
I'm alright, yeah.
Sleep well?
Yeah.
So do you know where we're going today? Well, this morning.
And I'm forget this.
Yeah, so we're going to a place called Mon Ami Gabi. It's very popular, very popular. It's on a lot of vlogs. It's French and it's supposed to be really authentic. So we've booked a table for 8 o'clock.
Oh.
So you can have some croissants and some stuff.
Yeah.
So
Croissants?
yeah, that's exactly the French. That's the French accent there is, you know what I mean? I thought I was standing next to a Frenchman just there.
Croissant?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm having salmon. Smoked salmon.
Chocolate waffles.
Chocolate waffles.
Yeah, James chocolate and hazelnut. Here is my ham and cheese omelette. So it's ham with Gruyere cheese. And I've got a right fancy plate as well.
Ham, cheese and
I'm a fancy dude.
And we're talking how for each other. Bye. Yeah, I'm here smoked salmon. Nice, this is. And a cocktail. Matthew got a cocktail. What's your item, Matt?
Mangoes.
Oh, mango. And
James is strawberry.
James is strawberry.
And yours is raspberry.
Morning, bad nice James food there. James chocolate mussel, chocolate what?
Chocolate hazelnut waffle.
Absolutely waffle. There you go. I'm on the treat market bacon sandwich. This is my favourite machine. This is. I went on this. Oh, I have the room on it. I've been running on this machine. Since I've been there, I've tried it 3 times and I've won 3 times on it. A free play, and I've won it. I won 120. I put back in the machine, went down to 50. I come back up to 110. So I'm breaking even so far. I'm breaking even.
Adventurer, choose your path. Spin the wheel. Another turn. Another turn. Congratulations! Keep better for better jackpot odds. Keep you won.
Hello, this is Roy. Behind me is the swimming pool. We've got about 6 or 7 swimming pools here, and it's got the yacht. It's hot flowing there, and it's hot. I'll come stand in this. There's only in the pool, come out, lie down. I think it'll kill me, I'll be dead. Okay? Bye.
Hi everyone. So,
I'll just pay £18 for this drink. Oh my god.
Fireball.
I can do all in one go.
You have no idea where it is, do you?
That's nice.
I had this idea when we sat it down. They went from there and I just started
These are my few friends.
Yeah, it's just keep and me doing it. So, here's Steve, how you getting on?
Hello. Hello, Matt. Excuse me.
I am massive at fucking doing it. That is nice. So you can control it by your phone as well.
Hello, dude.
That's a good camera as well. That's the top. salt, oil and cheese after.
Yeah.
Really good one.
Oh, look at that full bed. I'm getting ready to pack it. I'm going to pack it to go back home today. I am, yeah. Got a full bed, right? Alma. What's for the future? Okay.
Anymore. Our most popular items are Smoky Banana Burger, followed after Monte Cristo. Grab a couple menus, and once you're ready to order with the cashier.
Oh, not this. I like drunk. I'm not drunk. Honest. All the weaknesses. Not this. Oh, and I'll be very well. Oh, I think I've had too much. Oh.